Hi everyone, this is Sachiko Fujinuma. She is Satoru's mom from the anime called Erased. And Erased is such a good anime. I think it is recommended that it's like 13 and up. But it's one of those animes that it's just so good. You have to watch them all so quickly because you just can't wait to see what's going to happen in each episode. And this only has 12 episodes. Sadly, I wish there was more. But Sachiko, she always makes her son this delicious yellow curry with some rice, and today we're going to try to make this curry. It probably won't be even as close as delicious as it looks in the anime, but I'm going to try to make curry the best I can. I thought Sachiko was one of the coolest moms because she always had this hot, delicious, amazing curry dish ready for him or his friends anytime, and she was always so supportive of Satoru and always believed him and was on his side. It's a really cold and rainy day where we are, so this curry is sure to warm us up. Time to get this curry started. So heat up your pan extra good with some coconut oil or some butter. Right here I'm just using a little chunk of butter. Once that melts down and it's super hot, I'm going to add 2 spicy chilies. I'm just going to stir that around. We're going to give this some good flavor. And I'm sauteing some onions. And I have some spices here. I have some salt. And I have garlic powder. And I have pepper. We're going to just put a little spoon of each one, and we're even going to put a little spoon of some sugar inside too. This is really going to boost the flavor of our curry before we add the vegetables and the coconut milk. And now I'm going to add a dash of some white pepper. Here I'm adding some grated garlic. And I'm going to also add a little grated ginger cube. To make curry, you're definitely going to need some coconut cream or coconut milk. I just had this coconut cream. It's going to come out thick, but I can add water to make it thinned out. So this coconut cream sure looks thick, but after you add water, it will thin down. And at all times, you want to make sure your vegetables in your curry sauce, that the vegetables are right under the curry sauce and they're not sticking out. This way, all your vegetables can cook nice and even and get good and soft. And this is my favorite curry powder spice mix right here. I love that curry powder because it's not just turmeric. It has a whole bunch of different grated ingredients in there, so it really gives your food this beautiful flavor, aromatic taste and scent. Just by the color alone, I can tell this needs more curry powder. So that's what I'm adding. I'm just going to add a few more spoons to that. I want my curry to be a nice, rich yellow color. After your coconut milk and your spices are all in there, you want to cover your pot and let it simmer on low heat for 15 to 20 minutes till all the vegetables are tender. Be sure to check the flavor of your curry every now and then. Mine need a little bit more salt. When my curry is just about finished, I'll be adding in the spongy tofu cubes. A really popular protein people like to put in their curry is chicken. I love these little spongy tofu cubes in the curry because when you bite onto them, it's like it soaks up some of that delicious curry sauce and then it squishes out when you're chewing on it. So these potatoes and carrots are very tender and soft. I already added in the spongy tofu cubes and I'm just going to let it cook for an additional 3 to 4 minutes, and then it's time to put this on a plate with some rice. Hi kiddo, ready for some curry?
Yeah. Smells good. Whew. That's hot.
Wow, it looks like you guys really know your way around the curry. What do you like best, the carrots or the potatoes?
The potatoes. What's this?
Oh, don't eat that one. That's the ginger. I forgot to take that one out. Well, I'm really happy my kids gave it a try. They probably only tried just because they like the anime. Otherwise, they never eat curry. So I thought it came out good. And next time, I'll probably add a little bit more coconut milk so it'll be more creamy. Thanks for watching, everyone.